point you make in the book is how Americans are 10 times more likely to wind up before an administrative judge than a federal court. And in these administrative judges, they play prosecutor and judge. How different is that from the federal judiciary, and why is it increasing so much on the regulatory and the executive side?
Yeah. So, what are administrative judges? How might you encounter them? If you're regulated like Marty Hahn, for example, the magician, and you are prosecuted by the agency, many of them have the opportunity, rather than to bring their charges against you in court, they can bring them before their own employees, okay? For civil matters. You know, if they want just money from you, just money.
That's nice.
Right? Or to close your business, or to take away your license, right? Your livelihood. They call themselves administrative law judges. We used to call them hearing officers, but now they like to wear robes and you know, they have
the clowns acting
the whole thing. And at any rate, what does that look like? Do you think that administrative law judge, who sometimes reports to the agents, the same agency that's prosecuting you,
executive branch,
is going to be as fair as somebody who's got life tenure, doesn't care what anybody thinks, right? Nobody, go ahead, right? I don't care, right? That's the beauty of the system. That's how Madison designed it, is so that I could do unpopular things. And I could vindicate people like Marty Hahn when maybe their bosses at the agency wouldn't like that and could retaliate against that
Remember
person.
Judge Green, Secretary of State?
Do you get a jury? No jury in those cases. No jury. That's gone too. And then what do the procedures look like? Basic procedures, like getting the evidence against you and being able to cross-examine those who are charging you. Those are also very, very different. You may not get the right to cross-examination in those proceedings. And yes, today, according to Professor Jonathan Turley, you are 10 times more likely to wind up in front of one of those judges than a real judge.
A real judge, right?
And a jury of your peers.
Yeah, see?
And so I do write about this. This is part of what's happened and changed in my lifetime in our law. And there's more about it in the book.
A couple questions.